Introduction. I'm Dr. Maria, and today we're going to talk about something very important. Are you feeling overwhelmed, constantly tired, or even snapping at the smallest things? Stress might be quietly running your life. But here's the good news: with the right strategies, you can take back control. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful stress management strategies that truly work, and by the end, you'll have a toolkit to calm your mind, recharge your body, and handle life with confidence. Deep breathing. Let's start with something simple yet powerful: deep breathing. When you're stressed, your breathing becomes shallow and fast. By slowing it down, inhaling deeply through your nose, holding for a few seconds, and exhaling slowly, you send a signal to your brain that it's safe to relax. Just 5 minutes of deep breathing can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and restore focus almost instantly. Try it the next time you feel overwhelmed, and notice the difference in how your body responds. Strategy 2: Exercise. Our second strategy is movement. Exercise isn't just about staying fit, it's one of the most effective natural stress relievers. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, dancing in your living room, or hitting the gym, physical activity releases endorphins, the brain's feel-good chemicals. Even 20 minutes of movement a day can transform your mood, clear your head, and give you the energy to face challenges with more resilience. Strategy 3: Mindfulness and meditation. Third, let's talk about mindfulness and meditation. These practices train your brain to stay in the present moment, rather than being trapped in worries about the past or the future. Even 10 minutes of guided meditation each day can reduce stress, improve focus, and give you a sense of calm. Mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated, it can be as simple as paying attention to your breath, noticing the sounds around you, or feeling the ground beneath your feet as you walk. Strategy 4: Healthy sleep. Fourth, we can't ignore the importance of good sleep. Stress makes it hard to rest, and poor sleep makes stress even worse, creating a cycle that's hard to break. Setting a regular bedtime, keeping your room cool and dark, and switching off screens at least an hour before bed can all improve sleep quality. A well-rested mind is stronger, calmer, and much better at dealing with life's challenges. Strategy 5: Journaling. Fifth, journaling. Writing down your thoughts and emotions is like decluttering your mind. You don't need to be a great writer, even jotting down a few lines each day can bring clarity, release bottled-up emotions, and reduce stress. Some people like to write about their worries, while others focus on gratitude. Both are powerful ways to shift perspective and lighten weight. Strategy 6: Social connection. Sixth, never underestimate the power of human connection. Talking to a trusted friend, sharing with a loved one, or joining a support group can instantly make you feel lighter. Stress often grows in silence, but when you share your feelings, you reduce that burden. Even a short conversation with someone who understands can make a huge difference in how you cope. Strategy 7: Nature breaks. Finally, step outside and let nature do its work. Spending time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park, sitting under a tree, or hiking in the mountains, lowers cortisol levels, calms the nervous system, and restores balance. Fresh air and natural surroundings can work wonders for both the body and the mind. When life feels heavy, sometimes the best medicine is simply stepping into the sunlight.